Welcome to Japan. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we will discuss some facts about Japan and what makes Japan unique. Here I have shown you some images of Japan. Japan consists of over 3,800 islands. It is a small country and Japan has a suicide forest. The forest of Mount Fuji, that is Ahokigara, is spreaded over 30 square feet. Animated Japanese films and television shows account for 60% of the world's animation based entertainment. Means the 60% of world's entertainment of animation based is from Japan. 28% of Japanese population is aged 65 and older. Means the 28% of Japanese population is aged over 65 or 65. The highest proportion in the world, means it has the highest proportion in the world of the old agers in the world. As we all know, Japan is a well developed and advanced and a high tech country. Japan has a well earned reputation from his well work and from for her electronics, cameras, mobile phones, high speed trains, TVs, stereos, robots and motor vehicles. Often are market leaders, and Japan is the market leader and has a new technology from the world and a green technology. It uses eco-friendly products to conserve the natural resources. It is a good point of Japan. As I've told you before that there are many popular things in Japan. The one is Tokyo Tower. It is the most popular in the Japan, and the height of Tokyo Tower is 332.9 meters, that is 1092 feet. It is the second tallest structure in Japan. The structure is an Eiffel Tower inspired lattice tower, means it is a Eiffel Tower inspired. It is a lattice tower and it is painted white and internationally orange, means it is painted white and orange with air safety regulations. It is built in 1958. The main work for the formation of this tower is for income and tourism. The owner of the company is Tokyo Tower Company and the shareholder is Toei Company. Location of the Tokyo Tower is Shibakoin, Minato, Tokyo. It is a place in Japan, and the opening of Tokyo Tower is at 23 December 1958. The second thing for the Japan is famous is Mount Fuji. It is the tallest mountain in Japan, and the height of Mount Fuji is 12,388 feet, that is 3,776 meters. It is in a conchinal form, and it is the country's sacred place. The temples and the shrines are located around on the volcano. The temples and shrines are located around the volcano. This shows that the mountain is feel to be very sacred and holy by the peoples. And the third popular thing of Japan is the Tokyo Sky Tree. It is the tallest tower in the world. It is 2080 feet tall. That is 634 meters. And edging out means it is made in the competition from the Canton Tower in Japan. That is smaller than the Sky Tree. Sky Tree is the is not the tallest structure in the world. It is the tallest tower in the world. And some new things of Japan are that it consists of 6,852 islands. It is a small country, and the Japan language's words are totally different from English. And the samurai, a popular warrior class in Japan around the 19th century, was very popular. This shown here is the traditional dish of Japan. The person shown here is the Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe. Shinzo Abe is a Japanese politician and who served as a Prime Minister of Japan and President of Liberal Democratic Party from 2006 to 2007. And he is the longest serving Prime Minister in Japanese history. And he is born on 21st September 1954 and he is of 16 years.